going to dance class now. I wish I could have gone last week, but I did get a bad bout of food poisoning. And here's a fit check. Striped crop top, sweatpants. I kind of feel like I'm wearing pajamas. Here we go. These are super cute from Tommy Hilfiger. I'm really liking them. I am mentally preparing myself to go to Ikea right now. There is lots for us to buy. I have a whole shopping list, including Ikea meatballs, so let's go. I am liking this.
Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling love, even though I own us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute.
Alright, so I just finished my shopping at Ikea. Honestly, I'm exhausted. I got myself one of their hot dogs at the counter. This is so good. Ikea hot dogs always hit the spot because after you're done shopping, you're tired. I think they do this on purpose. They want to leave you with a feeling of satisfaction and happiness, so they purposely price their hot dogs really low so you can feed yourself at the end and you also feel really happy. Ikea is my happy place, so maybe this has something to do with it. To go have some high tea at Holt Renfrew, which is one of my favorite things to do. Not specifically at Holt Renfrew, but high tea is one of my favorite things to do. And I like it because you can get dressed up, you feel really fancy, and you go have tea. And I'm super excited for this, so let's go. I'm so bad at this.
Why?
No, don't do that. Oh, now she's dirty and mold everywhere. You're so dirty, Baba.
Indy, come here.
Indy, come on, let's go. No, Indy.
I wonder how that turns out. Did you film that?
Yeah, it was recorded.